Are you looking for the perfect brunch spot? Perhaps a lunch out with the family? Or maybe a cozy dinner date? Then you are in luck, because Gates Hospitality has something for everyone. If you and the fam are looking for the perfect place to hang out during the weekend, then Reform Social and Grill is the place for you. Truly gastropub experience in the city. It is simply a family favorite. You can feast on a full English breakfast or a traditional weekend roast. Hear us out! A romantic night out on the award-winning rooftop overlooking the idyllic views of Madinat Jumeirah. Enjoy crafted cocktails and delicious bites to a leisurely meal or an exclusive dining experience. Truly an exceptional experience awaits at Folly by Nick and Scott. Travel across the world to the City of Love while still in Dubai at this beautiful Parisian-style setting at Bistro Des Arts. The restaurant serves French bistro-style breakfast to a delicious late-night supper, enveloped by the views of the Dubai Marina. Grab your friends or work buddies and head over to Ultra Brasserie, the perfect place to mix and mingle. A contemporary yet comfortable environment serving you nothing but fresh local produce, with a balance of traditional flavors, modern trends, and healthy dishes. At Publique, expect the unexpected. Explore an authentic, unprecedented alpine experience in the heart of Dubai. The restaurant is set up to look like a mountain lodge with a warm and rustic vibe, but also providing pristine views of the Arabian Gulf, a fun social hub for friends to gather and a familiar place to escape the city's hustle and bustle.